Hey there. Today, I'm diving into a question I get a lot. Who stands to benefit the most from the carnivore diet? Well, it turns out that quite a few people have the potential to see major health improvements by going carnivore. If you're someone who struggles with plant-based food allergies or sensitivities, things like gluten, lectins, soy, or even nuts, the carnivore diet can be a real game changer. By focusing on animal-based foods, you eliminate the plant compounds that trigger inflammation or digestive issues, and a lot of people feel relief pretty quickly. Next up, people with hyperglyceridemia and insulin resistance. These are often the folks dealing with chronically high blood sugar and triglycerides. A 2024 study published in the Journal of Diabetes Investigation found that ultra-low-carb diets, like the carnivore diet, are effective for treating dyslipidemia in individuals with type 2 diabetes. It's like giving your body a much-needed reset. If you're overweight or struggling with obesity, the carnivore diet can help you shed pounds naturally. A study published in Frontiers in Nutrition in 2021 found that the high-protein, low-glycemic index nature of this diet keeps you feeling full and satisfied, so you're less likely to overeat. On the carnivore diet, you're cutting out sugar and carbs, which are big culprits in weight gain. Several case reports and anecdotal evidence suggest that individuals with mood disorders, anxiety, and even ADHD have seen significant improvements in mental clarity, mood stabilization, and cognitive function on the carnivore diet. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Psychiatry documented cases where patients with severe, treatment-resistant depression and bipolar disorder experienced remission of symptoms after adopting a ketogenic diet, hinting that similar effects might be observed with carnivore adherence. And finally, if you're dealing with chronic inflammation, whether it's arthritis, skin conditions, or autoimmune issues, the carnivore diet can help lower inflammation. A 2021 review in Frontiers in Neuroscience highlighted how ultra-low-carb diets, like the carnivore diet, can reduce inflammation markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, and cytokines. Animal-based foods don't contain the plant toxins or anti-nutrients that can cause flare-ups, and many people see dramatic improvements in their symptoms. So, whether you have food sensitivities, metabolic issues, excess weight, or chronic inflammation, the carnivore diet might be worth exploring. It's helped a lot of people reclaim their health, and who knows, it might just be the right fit for you too. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips on the carnivore lifestyle. See you next time.